If someone asks you where the toolbox is while you are carrying out hot work, how will you respond? Without taking off your mask, tell the person where it is. Use sign language to explain where it is. Leave the danger area before telling the person where it is.
Good. You seem to know quite a bit about respiratory protection, and that talking or movement could affect the protection level you get from your respiratory equipment. Now, perhaps you can show me the factors that affect the protection level of your respiratory equipment. Click on the 4 most important factors.
Most types of respiratory protection masks are delivered in various sizes. Find a mask of the size and shape to fit your face, taking your facial shape and characteristics, nose, chin, and cheekbones into account. Respiratory protection shall be put on and fitted to your face before you start work. Do this outside the work area and make sure the equipment is working before starting work. In one of our tests, we discovered a leak at the forehead. After adjusting the mask, the protection factor rose from 200 to more than 20,000. This shows exactly how important it is that you fit your mask to your face before you start work. It has been shown that the level of harmful particles and gases inside the respiratory protection increases if you speak or perform certain movements. This is especially the case when using visors and negative pressure masks with filters. Work with heavy workloads is particularly affected. High workloads, negative pressure in the inhalation phase may occur with an increased risk of leakage. For this reason, the use of fan-assisted or compressed air-fed full face masks are recommended for work activities involving high intensity and physical stress. A mask shall fit tightly to your face. Being clean-shaven is particularly important when using masks with negative pressure. A beard, whether it is a full beard or just 2 days stubble, can cause leakage. If your mask is cold or if it is cold at your work site, the mask will not fit sufficiently well. Masks mold themselves to the shape of your face less well when they are cold, and movements and grimaces will more easily lead to leakage. As heat is transferred from your face to the mask, the fit improves.
As you've seen, there are a number of factors that affect the protection level of your respiratory equipment. Can you sum them up?
Respiratory protection must fit your face. The effectiveness of respiratory protection is reduced by movement, speech, and grimaces. Increase the air support if you're working at high intensity. Respiratory protection is impaired by not shaving. Do not use negative pressure masks in heavily contaminated areas, such as when welding or cutting in poorly ventilated areas. Do not work with a cold mask.
Do you really want to risk serious health problems by not considering the limitations of your respiratory equipment?